Welcome to you, Chitrangada. Warmest welcome to you, Soha. Chitrangada, you have been endorsing Gillette Venus. So I'd like to ask you, what are your views on the brand and what are your views on shaving?
Yeah, this has been my second year with Gillette Venus. And I think Gillette is a brand which itself is so big, and I think the kind of credibility it already has in the market, there's very little that you really need to do as far as explaining the product is concerned. The quality of the product is really good. I have used Gillette for the longest time. I remember, in fact, I was sharing the story somewhere else on a Gillette event that when we were in hostel, that was the first time. I think that's like when you have so many of these last minute moments when you have to be looking, absolutely finished and clean and perfect. So yeah, that's the time that I was using shaver a lot, and that's the time we started using Gillette. And we didn't get them here in India at that time. So yeah, so I think the experience has just always improved because the product has improved so much. And now with the gel that comes with it, it's just become even easier, and the whole experience has become I think almost customized, for women. So whether the way it smells or the way your skin feels after the shaving is just wonderful. So, and it's a really personal sort of experience. So it's really nice, and you can do it when you want. So I am pretty inseparable with the lady shaver. Yes.
What are your opinions on shaving really as a method of hair removal? Do you think it's safe? There's no problems, no side effects?
Yeah, I think a lot of people think, because we've all used our father's razor or our brother's razor sometime or the other, and we keep getting these nicks and cuts, so we think it's not safe. But if you are using, I think, a Venus Gillette shaver, which is meant specially for the women, you will realize that it's really easy to use and it's very, very safe to use. Whether it is the blade or the strip, the aloe vera strip, which moisturizes the skin, or the way the handle grips, because it's anti-slip, so you can take it in the shower with you. So it's really easy to use, and it's very safe. It's quick. I think that's the best part, yeah.
So I guess we know of so many of the features of this wonderful razor, and now we're going to get to know about the gel also, and how it has become a beauty routine for every Indian woman now. Soha, warmest welcome to you once again.
Thank you.
You have spent many, many years abroad. So could you tell us, how did you get introduced to the system of shaving, and were you comfortable in the first place?
Well, actually, that's where I first shaved, was when I was in England. I did spend 4 or 5 years there as a student, and before I went there, there were other forms of hair removal that I used. When I went there, I realized, of course, on a student budget, it's quite expensive to have to go to the parlor. Also, accessibility to a beauty parlor wasn't as much as perhaps it is today for me. I would see what my other female friends were doing, and they would all shave. And initially I was very reluctant because a lot of people had told me lots of things about what shaving does to you, which I now realize are myths. But I thought that your hair will grow back in a more crude way, that your skin might darken, that you can cut yourself quite easily. So I was a little nervous because I wanted my skin to be smooth at the end of the day. And that's when I started shaving, really out of necessity. And ever since then, I've been sounds strange, but quite a regular shaver for my hands and legs. And you have to really, because not only in your social life, I mean, we all like to travel, we like to go to the beach, but even at work, it's very important. Whatever your hair care regimen is, I think it's necessary to have a lady shaver on you, because at some point or the other, you will need it. I just used mine backstage before coming on, because under all the lights, I could see some hairs that has escaped.
She was actually...
So I was using it backstage right now.
So you can see and hear that both our ladies today do recommend shaving as the simplest, safest and best method for hair removal. Now, to take this a step further, I'm going to request shaving stations to be brought on stage. Let's go in for